Have you ever installed MySQL and found yourself searching for a file that just doesn't seem to be there? It's frustrating, isn't it? If you're struggling to find the my.ini file in MySQL 5.7, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this mystery together. I completely understand your frustration. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack when you know it should be right there. You're not alone in this. Many users have faced the same issue when setting up MySQL. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user recently asked, "I installed MySQL 5.7 and I can't find the my.ini file. I followed the path I found online, but all I see are folders." Sound familiar? If so, let's figure this out together. So what could be happening here? The my.ini file is crucial for configuring MySQL, but its location can vary based on how MySQL was installed. We'll explore the common locations and how to find it. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a quick tip that will help you locate configuration files in the future, saving you time and hassle. To locate the my.ini file for MySQL 5.7, the user should first check the default installation directory. This is typically found in the Program Data folder on Windows. If the user does not find the my.ini file in the default directory, they should consider that it might not have been created during installation. In this case, the user can create a new my.ini file manually. Next, the user should add the necessary configuration settings to the newly created my.ini file. This includes specifying the server settings and any other configurations they wish to modify. After saving the changes to the my.ini file, the user must restart the MySQL service for the changes to take effect. This can be done through the Services application on Windows. Finally, the user should verify that the changes have been applied correctly. They can do this by connecting to the MySQL server and checking the current settings. Fun fact, did you know that MySQL was originally developed by a Swedish company? It's come a long way since then, and so have its configuration files. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution for finding the my.ini file is for Linux users. You can use the locate command to find any file if you know its name. First, update your file database with the command sudo updatedb. Then, use locate followed by the file name to find it. For Windows users, you can easily find files using the search bar. Just type in the file name, and it will help you locate the my.ini file. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always keep a backup of your configuration files. This way, if you ever lose track of them, you can restore them easily. And there you have it. You should now be able to locate your my.ini file with ease. Remember, keeping track of your configuration files is essential for smooth MySQL operation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.